All right, so we are going to have and given triangles inside of triangles. And the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is just place all the information that we're given. So we're given that angle 1 is 20 degrees. So this here is 20 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to 30 degrees. So over here on this side of the triangle from here to here, that is going to be 30 degrees. And the height is common to both of them. The height is the length from here to here, and that height we know is 500 meters. Now, I want you to also think about this height as breaking this into two separate triangles. Kind of have the left side and the right side of this. So if I'm looking at this left side triangle, this is what I have. This is just breaking it apart. This is A, this is my height, which is my 500 meters, and my 20 degrees. I need to go ahead and find A. Well, as I'm looking at this, what information do I have? It is a right triangle as referenced from above. And then in reference to angle 20, I have the opposite side and the adjacent side. So if I think SOHCAHTOA, what trig functions has the opposite and the adjacent, that would be the tangent. And I would say that the tangent of 20 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is A, over my adjacent side, which is 500. I solve this for A, and I get A is equal to 500 times the tangent of 20 degrees, or the fact that A is equal to 181.9851, or rounded to 3 decimal places, just 181.985. Now let's go ahead and look at the right side of the triangle. So for the right side of that triangle, same idea, only now I am looking for side B. My height is still 500 meters. And my angle here is 30 degrees. So again, if I'm looking at in reference to the 30-degree angle, this is the adjacent side. This is the opposite side. We're going to use the same trig function here, and I'm going to say that the tangent of 30 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is B over 500. I go ahead and solve that for B, and I get B is equal to 500 times the tangent of 30 degrees, and calculate that to be 288.68. And that is in feet. I did not put that up here. A over here is also in feet.